Deep in the jungles of Southeast Asia, there is a tree that bleeds gold. They call it the wood of the gods. This is agarwood. When distilled, it becomes oud. A tiny vial of this oil can cost more than a Ferrari.
I'm Elias. Welcome to the plantation. Today, we are going to extract the most expensive essential oil on Earth. But here is the catch. A healthy tree is worthless. To get the gold, the tree has to be sick.
We have to infect it. We have to wound it. It's a process of pain and transformation.
From the deep jungle infection to this high-tech distillery, I'll show you how we turn rotting wood into liquid luxury.
In the wild, this happens naturally by mold or insects, but that takes 100 years. Here, we speed up evolution. We inoculate the trees with a secret organic compound. It triggers the tree's immune system.
To fight the infection, the tree produces a dark, aromatic resin. That resin is the oud.
This is Kianam grade, the highest quality. It's heavy, dense, and full of oil. It's time to harvest.
We wait for years, 2, 5, sometimes 10 years. The darker the wood, the higher the price.
We fell the tree. But we don't just grind it up. We have to be surgeons.
The resin only forms in pockets. We have to manually carve away the white, uninfected wood. It takes steady hands.
If you leave the white wood, it ruins the scent. If you chip too deep, you throw away thousands of dollars.
These chips alone are worth a fortune. People burn them as incense, but we are after the essence.
We grind the precious resin chips into a fine powder. It smells intense, earthy, and sweet.
Then, let's see, we soak it for a minute.
We boil the wood powder and water mix. The steam carries the oil particles up through the copper neck.
Welcome to the alchemy lab. This is hydrodistillation, the same method used by the ancients. As the steam cools, it turns back into liquid, water and oil. And since oil is lighter, it floats to the top.
There it is, the liquid gold. It takes 20 kilos of wood to produce just 12 milliliters of this oil. But we aren't done. Fresh oud smells raw. It needs to age.
We cure the oil in sunlight for a few days to remove moisture, then we cellar it. Like fine wine, oud gets better with age.
Over months and years, the chemical profile changes. It becomes smoother, deeper, more complex.
We have to grade it. The scent profile is complex, leathery, smoky, sweet, woody.
A generic oud might sell for $50 a gram, but Chiara grade oil, that can sell for $50,000 a kilogram.
From our jungle to the palaces of the Middle East and the boutiques of Paris, this is the base note of the world's most expensive perfumes.
We bottle it by hand. No machines here. Every drop is too valuable to spill.
But the wild Aquilaria tree is endangered. That's why sustainable plantations like this are vital.
For every tree we harvest, we plant 10 more. We ensure the wood of the gods survives for the next generation.
It's a business of patience, chemistry, and respect for nature.
Next time you smell a luxury perfume, remember the jungle it came from.
I'm Elias. Thanks for watching the process.
Stay curious. See you in the next one.